If you want to delete a daily journal in Evernote, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you just want to move the note out of the way or permanently remove it from your account, I'll show you the safest way to do it. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Evernote tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open Evernote and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're inside, locate the daily journal note you want to delete. If you have a lot of notes, you can use the search bar or scroll through your notebook list until you find the exact journal entry. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the right note, especially if you keep multiple journals or daily logs in one place. After you've found the journal note, right-click on it. On many devices, this will open a menu with several options. From that menu, choose Move to Trash. This is the first step in removing the note, and it will send the journal entry into Evernote's trash notebook instead of deleting it immediately. That means you still have a chance to recover it if you change your mind. Once the note has been moved, you'll see that the journal entry now appears in the trash notebook. This is a helpful safety feature because Evernote does not usually erase it instantly. If you only wanted to temporarily remove the note, you can stop here. But if your goal is to permanently delete the daily journal, then you'll need to go one step further. To permanently delete it, open the trash notebook inside Evernote. Inside trash, locate the same journal note again. Once you've found it, right-click the note one more time and select Delete Permanently. This will fully remove the note from Evernote, so it will no longer be recoverable through the app. Make sure you're completely sure before doing this, because once a note is permanently deleted, it's gone. A very important tip here is to double check that you're deleting only the specific journal entry you want removed. If you keep all of your daily journals inside a notebook named Journal, be careful not to delete the entire notebook by mistake. That could remove more content than you intended, so always verify the note title before confirming the deletion. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a daily journal in Evernote, how to move it to trash, and how to permanently remove it when you're ready. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Evernote how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.